How to fix earphones or headphones works for music but not for calls. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix if your earphones or headphones does work for music but it doesn't work for calls. Maybe you can listen to music on your headphones but you can't answer calls, or maybe that the other person is not listening what you're saying. The first thing, of course, there are wired ones and there are the wireless ones. If you're using the wired ones, sometimes just try changing it, because if you're using one of those unbranded ones, what happens is that the wired headphones, sometimes they do have the headphones, right? That means there is a place to listen and there is a speaker, but it could not have a microphone, which means whatever you say is not going to send it to the other person. Those type of headphones might simply not have microphone. The other issues could be your software issues. So if you're using Bluetooth as well, just try to switch any of the other Bluetooth devices that you have. If you have any of the other Bluetooth device, I just recommend you connect to those devices and then see if that actually solves your problem, because sometimes the issue is also could be with the wireless headphones or the earphones or the earplugs that you might actually be using. Now, what are some of the things that you can do to fix this? Now, normally I want you to check which software are you using. I also had this issue where if I picked up a call, the headphones wouldn't work. It would just come out from the phone's speaker. The sound would just come out from the phone speaker. The reason this happened was because I had installed a custom OS or a custom ROM before. I did not use the official software that was provided to me by my company, which means Samsung's One UI. If you're using others, I just recommend you first of all try to switch to your stock ROM, and then if you've done that already, then you should be able to help yourself and solve some of the problems that you might be getting. The last but not the least, what I want you to do is I want you to simply go ahead and restart your phone. So what you want to do is just tap on the little restart button. Check if that actually helps you solve your problem as well. This way you can go ahead and then fix earphones or headphones working for music but not for calls. Hopefully one of these may help to solve the problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.